Hi everyone, I am back here with something important and informative for you this time and have tried to put that widespread information in a nutshell so that you could very well understand the importance and growing popularity of the same. But for this you need to stay with me and watch this video till the end. So let's get going. After Second World War, America emerged as the supreme power and introduced two things to the world. First was dollar, which became the major international currency, and the second was English language. Business in America started flourishing and English became the common language of trade, and that helped to contribute to the popularity of the English language. Though in making English popular, British Empire also played immensely important role. English was spread across the world via trade, that is, buying and selling goods. Britishers were so focused on their trade and business that the English language became the main language of trade in Asia and Africa. Even the countries which were once the part of British Empire are still using English as official or semi-official language, and these countries are New Zealand, Australia, Canada and many more. Once upon a time, Latin used to be the language of science. All scientific research papers were published only in Latin, but with the passage of time it lost its popularity, whereas English gained its popularity in the modern times, and now most of the research papers are being published only in English. It dominates the technological industry too, with the majority of software operating systems, programs, websites all are written in English only. The world of science and technology is totally dominated by English. The hardware of all our smart technology uses English words only, which are commonly used around the world. Therefore, we can say that English is continuously gaining popularity and is becoming an essential language, with science and technology playing such an important role in our lives today. After IT revolution, distances started shrinking. Distances among the cities and the countries have become lesser. Means it is easier and smoother these days to reach to any part of the country or the world within a few hours. And we call this globalization. With this globalization, people felt the need of connecting with the people living in different regions so that they could connect with each other easily. It is hence proved, if you learn your general English lessons, it will certainly help you to understand IT industry. It is the fast moving industry with new devices each day, and you need to keep up with the technological development. And if you don't want to feel left out, you need to learn general English for better understanding of the same. With the development, distances became shorter and people started feeling the need of a common language through which they could connect with each other very well. We all know that language plays a vital role in the human connection. It's a tool of communication, and communication is a way of exchanging information and messages among the people. People found English language more authentic and stable, through which they could communicate with the people all over the world. Hence, it is not hyperbole if I say from North Pole to South Pole, or from north tip of Canada to the southern tip of Africa and everywhere else in between, English is the language which is spoken and understood with all ease. It is the only language which can enhance your chances to expand your personal and professional relationships across the world. And this is another interesting reason why should you learn English. since there are multiple languages spoken in our country. Hence, preference is given to the schools teaching through English medium so that everyone could connect with each other and to help everyone communicate better. There are multiple non-English speaking countries including our country India where English is taught as a second language. There is another interesting reason. Why should English be taught to the children from the very early stage? As per a study, children have a better ability and skill to learn any language faster than elders. Moreover, when they wish to go for higher studies, especially science and technology, it helps them a lot, as all higher study material is available only in English and almost all degree level examinations are being conducted only in English. Therefore, they need to be proficient in this language. The effect of globalization has changed the mindset of the people, as they have started believing that learning English can give them a lot of exposure in any field like science, aviation, media, politics, education and many more. Learning English provides better opportunity to get a job. Many companies like BPOs, call centers, software companies, etc. require that their employees should speak good English, so that a person sitting in India can talk to the person sitting in America or in any part of the world. All engineering data is available only in English. For the jobs like software engineers, data scientists, consultancies, multinational companies and banks, almost everywhere exceptionally good English is required. Not only this, multinational companies hire soft skill trainers to train their employees so that they learn good English to communicate with all other people. Not only in jobs, but in business also, English speaking people have their upper hand. With better connectivity, world has become more global and people are doing business from one corner of the world to the other corner. For example, a business person from Japan can communicate with a person sitting in India or UK, South Africa or any other country for his business dealings. How can we overlook hospitality business? People keep on visiting from one place to another for their business, personal or professional reasons. Therefore, people in this industry should be well versed in English, as they will have to deal with variety of people coming from all parts of the world. The other important thing is, if we want to search anything from the internet, that all content is available only in English. Not to forget about entertainment industry. Most of the stuff is available in English. Matrix, Man in Black, Titanic and many more fantastic movies are available only in English. Though dubbings are also available, but watching the original one is something very interesting. Therefore, before I conclude, I must say that learning a language develops the brain, keeps us artistic, maintains horizontal thinking. It makes us lively and helps us think beyond. Learning another language is proved to delay the aging process of our brain, keeps our brain cells healthy. Moreover, learning a language is an art, not a science. It adds creativity and vitality. It is something like an intangible asset that gives us happiness, peace, satisfaction and much more, which cannot be measured with money, job or anything else. That's all about today's video. See you soon in the next. Till then, bye bye.